with Chief Meteorologist Dylan Robichaud.
All right, folks, good evening. We begin tonight talking about the storm track for this next system that is coming in late tonight and into tomorrow. Now, the system is actually moving slower than we initially thought. And so what that means is that we're still getting a storm, but the timing is such that you can basically push everything forward a couple of hours. So here's the latest track right here going just south of Eugene. And the way it works is that with low pressure, you have a counterclockwise spin. The northern part of the low, you're pulling in cold air, which is why we have the ice and they have the snow up there in Portland. And then down here with that counterclockwise spin, you have a southwest wind. That's why Roseburg will stay much milder. Accumulating snow, though, I think Portland could have enough snowfall to go sledding maybe by the end of the day tomorrow. Lower amounts down to our south, but even Corvallis might pick up a quick dusting to an inch as we go through tonight. So the freezing rain commences between about 9 p.m. and midnight, plus or minus an hour. The worst of it will be 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. tomorrow afternoon. That's not when you want to be on the roadways. I would prepare for icy conditions. I would prepare for the possibility of losing power and having downed trees. So maybe some candles and flashlights. Just have groceries in your home in case you were to lose power because you might not be able to go outside for a day or two. Here's your cold front right now. Salem has dropped down from like 38 degrees down to 33 in just the past half hour. So that cold air is on the way. By 11:30 p.m., Corvallis is down to freezing. And then here's the freezing line. By about 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock in the morning, Eugene dips below freezing. And then we stay below freezing throughout the day tomorrow. Now, here comes the snow. And like I said, I think Corvallis, you guys may get a quick dusting to perhaps even a quick inch. And then we flip-flop back over to that freezing rain. Here's tomorrow morning, very heavy freezing rain throughout the day. And then things wrap up by Saturday evening. Sunday will be dry, but the problem on Sunday is that we don't get above freezing. And so that will definitely make things icy. All right, tomorrow, winds up to 25 miles per hour. The timing tonight from 10 p.m. until about 9 p.m. on Saturday for a ½ inch to an inch of that glaze on the roadways. I think Eugene and Corvallis will be some of the most highly impacted areas from that ice. And then we are just stuck in the tundra through Tuesday. Look at those nighttime lows. I would leave the water dripping so that your pipes don't freeze. Because remember, the science of it, ice expands, and so that means that as we get that frost and then that thaw, that could cause some of your pipes to burst at night. That is not fun to wake up to. 7-day forecast shows that the rain comes in Tuesday night, and then we're looking at showers Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Unlike this system, though, this will be more like a typical January pattern. We have a southwest flow aloft, and that should keep things just all rain. Snow levels get down to 500 feet, and then they eventually warm up. In fact, it's hard to believe, but a week from today, we could be talking rain at the Cascades instead of snow. In the valley, though, we're looking at temperatures very cold through the weekend. Tomorrow, we don't even make it to freezing. And then as we go towards Saturday and Sunday, we'll be looking for temperatures to be below freezing as we'll be tracking that cold Arctic air in through the valley. All right, we are heading out live now to Holden LaCroix. It looks like we got some road crews out there. Temperatures are now dropping below freezing. Holden, what are you seeing up there in Albany?
Yeah, so we actually just had a de-icer move right down I-5. They are already starting that de-icing process. If you're familiar with Oregon, you normally use the crushed scoria up